everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to bring you guys this video because I'm so happy with how it turned out. This is a full face of drugstore makeup. This whole ride had some eventful moments. You can do a lot with drugstore makeup, but the foundation and the highlighter. Yesterday I went to the drugstore and I got like a bunch of products so I could do a full face of makeup. So if you've been around for a while, you know that I have another apartment at the beach, what we like to call the beach house. So, because it's easier. We normally go there during the weekends and it's very annoying having to bring everything with me back and forth. I know it sounds like first world problems, but it is annoying when you have these two spaces. So I figured I would go to the drugstore and get a kind of an emergency kit with drugstore products, because if I'm gonna leave them there, it's very humid, sometimes it's very warm, sometimes it's very cold, so I want products that I know they're not gonna hurt me if they expire or they go bad or anything. So drugstore it is. I was also inspired to do this video because my cousin, I did her makeup a couple of months ago for a wedding, and she told me that she wanted to learn new technique of doing makeup because she does her makeup. She's very good at it, she loves it, but she's kind of a bit stuck still in the past and old ways of doing makeup. I needed to get this makeup anyway. Why not doing it with very basic products that are affordable, to start learning with them, and if they're good and they stay around, we're not gonna complain. So that's what I did. This is the finished result. I didn't want to do something too crazy or anything, because if I consider this an emergency kit for beginners and some basic product, there's one product that when you see it you're gonna think, why didn't you go bold with this? But I wanted to keep it simple for the reasons that I told you previously. Some of the products you're gonna see me using I've never tried before. I will tell you before I put them on my face, but I feel like you're gonna scream when you see some of the products because there are some drugstore basic and I cannot believe I've never tried them before, because the foundation, it's something so basic that I don't know why I didn't, but it turned out great. And okay, I'm gonna stop, I'm gonna let you watch it and I hope you enjoy it. I just got rid of all the packaging and all the lids and seals and everything. It was a lot. So I'm gonna start with primer to prepare my face for the foundation and also to make it stick as long as possible. It is the L'Oreal Infallible Primer. I've never tried this nor the foundation, which I was this close to get, but I got another one that you're gonna see in a second. And yeah, this is the L'Oreal Infallible Primer. It says that it's a smoothing primer. The texture is light. It is a shine control primer, which I need. I'm going to pull my hair back before. Ouch. I have a 5. Well, it's a forehead, but it looks very big. Okay, I'm going to start with the primer. I'm going to put this here, just like that. I'm going to... Oh, this is so soft. Oh wow. I'm putting this primer here because I want to smooth out my pores. My foundation struggles around here and my T-zone because I have combination skin, because then over here I get patches and it dries out. I'm going to put it all over my face. It's fine. It feels really smooth. It's like a dry oil. Have you guys tried this primer before? Doesn't smell like anything, which is good. It really reminds me of, oh my god, I can't believe I'm thinking about this product now. I haven't used that product in 10 years. I need to look for it. Sephora used to have this primer that looked so similar to this. It was like a clear liquid. It had a black pump. I remember using that product. It was one of the first primers ever. If I find the product that I'm talking about, I'll put it right here. If you have ever tried that product, please let me know. Oh my god, the memories. Now for foundation. I've never tried this before. I know. It's the Fit Me by Maybelline, the matte plus poreless foundation. I got it in the shade 128, which I don't know, because when I did a swatch at the store, it was too busy. And this particular store, it's in one of the main roads in my city, and there's always a lot of young girls there, and like the drugstore workers, they follow you everywhere. It makes me feel like they think I'm stealing something, and I get all awkward and uncomfortable, and I just grab whatever and leave. Like, it's so bad. Like, when I grab something, I try to bring that as far away from me as I can so they can see that I grabbed something, but I'm not stealing it. Like, I'm showing you that I have this. I'm not stealing it, I swear. I feel so bad. Okay, I need to do more. Okay, I need to blend this, but it seems just a tiny bit yellow for my liking, but we'll see. Now, once that I've blended, it's not that bad, I guess. I need a mirror. Oh wow, once you blend it, it's really not that bad. I think it's... Did I really choose the right shade? Just by looking at the tube? It looks really natural. I was a bit afraid because it is a matte foundation. I was afraid of it looking too powdery, but it's looking great. Like, coverage wise, it has even out my skin tone. Okay, I'm gonna do another layer now, but for a natural look, I really like it. I can see my freckle peeking through. Okay, I'm going to apply a tiny bit more to see if I can build the coverage. Yeah, you can definitely build it up. And the primer, like, my pores are so minimized. Blend it down my neck. Now for concealer, I'm going to use pretty much everyone's favorite. It's my favorite. I've used this product before, even on this channel, multiple times because I love it. It's the Maybelline H3 Wine Concealer. I'm going to put this on my dark circles. I wanted to do something subtle, but I think I'm gonna go all in. If you want to do less, you can adapt it. For every day, I would do probably like this, but I want to do the full effect. I'm gonna highlight my nose like this, so I make it look smaller because I need it. I'm going to drag it up because we like I always look crazy when I put concealer. Oh my god. And I also like to put it on my lids because I didn't get any eyeshadow primer because I wanted to keep it very low budget. Which, by the way, once I got everything, I saw that the whole thing was around 50 euros. Let's wait for it to see how I look at the end. I like to start blending the edges. To set my face, I got this Face Studio setting powder. So, oh, this is a lot of powder. I'm gonna set with a brush because I don't want to do too much. I'm just gonna set with where I put my concealer so it doesn't crease. Now for something very exciting, I got this palette. This is the Rimmel London. I think it's called the Kate Sculpting palette. It's, if you know this brand, you know that they have this line with Kate Moss. They have some lipsticks, the Kate Moss edition lipstick, which are my favorite. The 111 Kiss of Life and 107, which I don't remember the name, but it was 107, which is a very burgundy color. It was my go-to color. I got this. Oh, there's a Kate sketch here showing you how to use the palette. I've got them very affordable, like bronzer, blush, highlighter. I prefer a palette over everything because it's way more convenient. Like, you can grab it and you're doing your makeup and you don't need to be looking for where's my bronzer, where's my highlight. You have everything here. I don't know how they will perform, but this, €4.25. I'm gonna start bronzing my face. I'm gonna dip my brush into this bronzer. This looks scary. Wait. That's pigment. This is very dark. I got the darkest one though because I thought I could build it up, but you just get all the pigment. Okay, it is very matte. I like my bronzers to have a bit of shine. The blush has a bit of shine, and then the highlighter, so I think I can mix them together. Doesn't seem to be moving what's underneath, like the foundation, so that's good. Now I'm going to put a bit on my forehead to make it look a bit smaller because it looks huge. Not too grey, not too orange, it's a brown color. I was afraid of it looking a bit muddy. It seems alright. I take this brush and I'm going to dip it so I can contour. Oh, that's too much. Now let's move on to blush. It is a soft pink color and it looks like has a very thin shimmer to it. I'm excited for this. It's very pretty. Very soft. Goes nicely with the bronzer. The powder is very thin. Very nice. Bit of sheen to it. See? I like it. 2 out of 3. Okay, moment of truth. I'm speechless right now. It's not shimmery, it's glowy. It's like it doesn't have glitter. It's super subtle. I'm going to do it with my finger though. €4.25. Okay, I'm gonna do my brows real quick, and the product that I got is something that I always use. Is the only brow product that I use. Catrice Slimmatic Ultra Precise Brow Pencil. This is €3 and it's so good and it's so easy. What I like to do is I pull the hairs down so I can see where I have my gaps and I just fill them. It is the best pencil ever. And then I just fill the gap that I have here. And it's so creamy. You can do very light stroke. You blend it with this spoolie. And then you're done. For the eyeshadow, I don't know if I should use that or just stick to the emergency kit, because as I was saying before, I was trying to make this as low budget as possible. So my plan was to either use this one to do my makeup or to get one of the Reloaded palettes from Revolution Makeup. So I thought I would get the Velvet Rose Reloaded palette because that's a dupe for the Soft Glam by Anastasia Beverly Hills. When I went there, those palettes retail in that store €5, I think. It's something crazy, it's something absolutely nuts. While I was looking for them, I found this, the Maxi Reloaded palette. It is pretty much a 3-in-1 palette, because you've ever seen Revolution palettes, they come in with 3 rows, pretty much like this, like 1 palette, 2 and 3. This one was €15. When I saw it, I was like, this is perfect, because with just 1 palette I can bring it to the beach house and I'm good to go. I can do so many different looks for so many different occasions, and it doesn't matter if it's summer, winter, fall or spring. I have everything here. This is never gonna be like a small cute palette to bring with me when I'm traveling. That's not the case, but to have it there, it's great. I want to keep this makeup very neutral, very basic, very beginner's makeup, but then I have all of this. I feel like I'm wasting it if I don't use it. Besides, I want to test the consistency of the shadows and how they perform. I'm gonna use this palette. I'm gonna do something very neutral though. Okay, I'm gonna start with this. Start with this soft brown. Place this on my crease. Pretty much all over my lid. It's a very soft color. The pigmentation looks quite promising. Okay, I'm going to take a smaller brush and I'm gonna dip into this dark brown. I'm gonna press it on here. And now with the same blush that I used before, I'm going to blend that all together. With the dark brown, I'm going to intensify a bit more around the lash line, mixing this 2 dark browns. I'm going to do this down too. There's this shimmery shadow that I just swatched, and it looks like a topper to put on top of other eyeshadow, and that's what I'm gonna try. Yay! So you have this shimmer going on. I wanted to do something basic and natural, and I went for the glitter. Who am I? I'm going to use the shimmery one to highlight my inner corner. Okay, I think I'm going to do a very thin line because I have a gel pencil and I want to try it. It's the W7 Oh My Gel. It's waterproof soft gel liner. I'm using the viewfinder to tightline because it's so difficult. It tickles. Okay, I think I'm gonna do this off camera. I'm sorry because it tickles. I'm struggling here. I'll be right back. The mascara that I got was this Essence Volume Stylist Curl and Hold Mascara. I don't know if this is good or not. I've never tried it, but it was the last one on the counter, so it had to be good. It has like a curved angle. Whenever I try a mascara for the first time, it is very, very rare that I like it. I need a bit of time to get used to it and try it and see how to work with it. I like that it has a curve because when I do this, it gets to the smaller lashes. I like this mascara. I do like it. Those are my lashes. This is crazy. Now for lips, and I think I'm gonna go with this. This is one of the Kate lipsticks that I told you before. This one is in the 55 Minute. It's very neutral. Pretty much feels like my lips. It's very hydrating. Done. So yeah, this was eventful. Yeah, this is the end result. I still cannot get over the highlighter. It looks so beautiful, so subtle, natural, and yeah, and the lashes. It's insane. The foundation also I really like. And yeah, that's it. That's a full face of drugstore makeup. Now, I would like you to tell me what's your favorite drugstore product, because I don't know, if a lot of people like it, it must be good. Just like the mascara. I don't know what else to say. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'm not the best at this, but I hope you found it helpful. And if not, so I hope it was entertaining. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. And if you want to see more, subscribe. And if you want to talk to me, comment section down below. I answer to every single comment. If you want to talk a bit more up close, you have my Instagram. And yeah guys, I'll see you in my next video. Bye.